In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off dark mode in Discord on PC. If you want to make Discord easy on your eyes, or you simply prefer a brighter layout, changing the theme only takes a moment once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the exact path inside Discord so you can switch between dark and light mode without any confusion. Start by opening Discord on your computer and going to your Discord dashboard. This is the main screen where you can see your servers, direct messages, and your account controls. Once you're there, look down to the bottom left corner of the app. You'll find your profile area there. Click on your profile in the bottom left corner. This opens up account-related options. From that menu, click on Edit Profile. This takes you into the section where Discord lets you manage personal account settings and customization options. After that, click on the Profile section. This helps move you into the broader settings area connected to your account. From there, look to the left-hand column and find Appearance under the Experience section. Click on Appearance to open the visual settings for Discord. Once Appearance is open, click on Theme in the left-hand column. This is the section that controls whether Discord uses a dark or light visual style. If you're trying to reduce eye strain, especially in the evening or in low light rooms, dark mode is usually the better choice. If you prefer a cleaner, brighter look during the day, light mode may work better for you. Now, under default themes, click on the theme you want to use. If you want dark mode, choose the black or gray theme. If you want to turn dark mode off and switch back to a brighter interface, choose the white theme instead. As soon as you click the new theme, Discord should apply the change right away, so you can instantly preview how it looks. Take a second to look around the app after switching themes. That way you can decide which option feels more comfortable for reading messages, browsing channels, and spending longer periods inside Discord. If you ever want to change it again later, just return to the same theme section and select a different option. That's all it takes to turn dark mode on or off in Discord on PC.